Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to my class again. Hoping you are all right and keeping good health. I am starting my class. In my previous class, I discussed a topic from English first paper, and it was on Valentina Tereshkova. And today I will discuss the questions from this text. So get ready. Dear students, we will discuss all the questions from the text that can be set in your question paper. At first, I will discuss the multiple choice questions, then short questions. So, take a look. Dear students, at first, question number 1A. Choose the correct answer from the alternatives. I have here composed more questions, but in your exam or in your question paper, if you get this passage, you will get only 5 questions. So, question number 1A. What could be the closest meaning for parachuting in the passage? There are 4 options. Number 1, to jump from a plane, to dive down from a helicopter. Number 3, to descend by means of parachute. Number 4, to fall down with the help of a big cloth. So here the correct answer is number 3, to descend by means of parachute. Question number B. The word expertise means number 1, proficiency, number 2, capability, number 3, knowledge, number 4, expert opinion. Here the correct answer is number 1, proficiency. Question C. Cosmonaut is the best replaced by number 1, pilot, number 2, astronaut, number 3, engineer, number 4, advocate. So here the correct answer is number 2, astronaut. Question D. Tereshkova's backup cosmonaut was number 1, Solovyova, number 2, an ordinary pilot, number 3, nobody, number 4, her father. In our text we have got that Tereshkova's backup cosmonaut was Solovyova. Then question number D. The word isolation can be best explained as to be exclusive, number 2, to be concerned, number 3, to stand aside, number 4, segregation. So here the correct answer is number 4, segregation. Isolation, that means বিচ্ছিন্নতা. or বিচ্ছিন্নকরণ. How many applicants were there for the project. Number 1 300, number 2 more than 300, number 3 450, number 4 500. In our text we have got that about more than 400. So here the correct answer is number 3, 450. The living legend is a member in জীবন্ত কিংবদন্তি একজন সদস্য কোথার? Number 1 the lower house of the Russian legislature, number 2 the upper house of the Russian legislature, number 3 the Supreme Soviet, number 4 Russian Air Force Academy. So here the correct answer is the lower house, number 1 the lower house of the Russian legislature. By profession Tereshkova's father was an engineer, number 2 a physician, number 3 a tractor driver, number 4 a lawyer. In our text we have got that Tereshkova's father was a tractor driver, number 3 here the correct answer. Tereshkova continued her education number 1 in local educational institution, number 2 in reputed school, number 3 under a house tutor, number 4 by dint of distance learning. From our text we have come to know that Tereshkova distance learning. So here the correct answer is number 4. She left school in 1953 and continued her education through distance learning. Tereshkova question number J. Tereshkova was a textile worker while number 1 she was ready for parachuting, she was taking training on skydiving, she was making her first jump, she became interested in parachuting. Here the correct answer is number 3, she was making her first jump. At that time she was a textile worker. Now question number B, 1B. Here you will get 5 short questions, but I have here, or I am discussing more questions for your better understanding. Question number A. What kind of family background did Valentina Tereshkova have? What kind of family background did Valentina Tereshkova have? Dear students, in my previous classes I discussed or I told you that if your question is in past tense, then you have to answer the questions in past tense. If your questions are in present tense, then you have to answer the questions in present tense. So we have got that here. Your question is in past tense. We have to answer the question in past tense. Tereshkova came of a very ordinary family. Her father was a tractor driver and mother worked in a textile plant. Then question B. What led to the selection of Tereshkova as a cosmonaut? What led to the selection of Tereshkova as a cosmonaut? তেরেশকোভাকে নভোচারী হিসাবে নির্বাচিত করতে কোন জিনিসটি বা কোন বিষয়টি বিবেচ্য হয়েছিল বা বিবেচনা করেছিল, অবদান রেখেছিল? Here we can write down Tereshkova became interested in parachuting from her young age. She trained in skydiving at the local aero club, making her first jump at age 22 on May 1959. It was her expertise in skydiving that led to her selection. It was her expertise in skydiving that led to her selection as a cosmonaut. তেরেশকোভা অল্প বয়স থেকেই প্যারাশুটিংয়ে আগ্রহী ছিলেন এবং তিনি স্কাইডাইভিংয়ে এরা লোকাল এয়ার ক্লাবে প্রশিক্ষণ নিয়েছিলেন এবং তিনি প্রথম তার সেই জাম্প করেন 22 বছর বয়সে 21 মে 1959 সালে। এটা তার সেই এক্সপার্টাইজ, তার দক্ষতা স্কাইডাইভিংয়ে, যেটা তাকে কসমোনট হিসাবে বা নভোচারী হিসাবে নির্বাচিত করতে অবদান রেখেছিল। Question C. Briefly discuss Tereshkova's experience in Vostok 6. On the morning of 16 June 1963, Tereshkova and her backup cosmonaut Solovayova were dressed in spacesuits and taken to the Space Shuttle launch pad. On completion of communication and life support checks, she got locked in Vostok 6, which launched faultlessly after 2 hours. Tereshkova experienced nausea and physical discomfort for much of the flight in Vostok 6. What training did Tereshkova have to undertake before embarking on her mission? We came to know that Tereshkova had to undergo a series of training such as weightless flights, isolation test, centrifuge test, rocket theory, spacecraft engineering, 120 parachute jumps, and pilot training in MiG-15 UTI jet fighters. What do you know about Tereshkova's education? Answer. This Tereshkova started school in 1945 at the age of 8 but left school in 1953 and continued her education through distance learning. Question 4. F. Who was the first human being to fly to outer space? Yuri Gagarin was the first human being to fly to outer space in 1961. How long did Tereshkova spend in space? Tereshkova orbited the Earth 48 times and spent almost 3 days in space. Question 2. Here you can get a table to fill with the information. What oblique who, you have to write here the thing or the name of person, event or occurrence, why or when, where. Tereshkova, number 1, dash and spent. Here you have to write down the event that happened. Tereshkova, we have got that Tereshkova orbited the Earth 48 times and spent, why, when. We know that she spent 3 days, almost 3 days, and where? In space. Maintaining dash Tereshkova. We came to know that Tereshkova maintained a flight log. So here the answer is number 3, flight log. Took photographs of the horizon that were used. Number 4. Number 4 answer is to identify aerosol layers within the atmosphere. So number 4, in number 4 you have to write down to identify aerosol layers. Number 5, dash carried Valery Vygotsky. Here the answer is Vostok 5 carried Valery Vygotsky for, number 6 answer is 5 days into an orbit. In question in 7 you can write the dash approached each other at dash approached each other at number 8 dash. We got that Vostok 5 and Vostok 6 approached each other, and at number 8 answer is 1 point. By radio, number 9, dash communicated with Vygotsky and the Soviet leader Khrushchev. Valentina Tereshkova, number 9 answer is Valentina Tereshkova from dash, from space. So in number 2 you can get either a table or a flow chart. We have discussed the table. And now we will discuss flowchart. Read the above text and make a flowchart showing the activities of Valentina Tereshkova in space and what she did after coming back from space. One is done for you. Spending, number one is spending almost 3 days. Spending almost 3 days. So here the learners, you please take a look here. Here the first one is done for you, and there it is written in participle form. Spending almost 3 days. Verb plus ing. We in our previous class discussed that if the first one is written in present tense, present participle, you have to write others in participle form, and if the first one is done using infinitive, then you have to write other flowchart, other points in using infinitive. So here can write number 2, taking the photographs of the horizon. Number 3, communicating with Bhaikoboshi and Khrushchev by radio. Number 4, earning a doctorate in engineering. Number 5, turning to politics. Here another question is given that what did she do after returning from space. So we have to here mention what did she do after she had returned from space. After coming from space. So for that we have written that she turning to politics, and then number 6, becoming the presidium member of Supreme Soviet. Another flowchart is also written here. Read the above text and make a flowchart showing the incidents of Valentina Tereshkova during orbiting the Earth. Make a flowchart showing the incidents, ঘটনাগুলো ভ্যালেন্টিনা তেরেশকোভা যখন সে আর্থ অরবিট করতেছিল, রাউন্ড দিতেছিল, তখন তার সেই ঘটনাগুলা সে জায়গায় উল্লেখ করতে হবে। তো here first one is written feeling nausea and physical discomfort. So you have to give another 5 points, and we have to write a complete flowchart in this way, following this form. Number 2, orbiting the Earth 48 times. Number 3, logging extra flight time with a single flight. Number 4, maintaining a flight log. Number 5, taking photographs of the horizon. Number 6, communicating with Bhaikoboshi and Khrushchev by radio. Dear learners, if you are asked to write down a summary from this text, then you have to keep in mind that unnecessary and irrelevant words should be avoided, and you have to write it in indirect speech, avoiding any reference or example comparison, and the summary should be 1/3 of the main text. So here we can write Valentina Tereshkova was a Russian female astronaut who came of a working class family in central Russia. Although she started her career in a textile factory, her expertise in skydiving led to her selection as a cosmonaut. After being selected, she underwent a series of training. On June 16, 1963, she, along with her backup cosmonaut Solovayova, launched her space journey in Vostok 6. She orbited the Earth 48 times and spent almost 3 days in space. Dear students, I have discussed the probable questions that can be set for your question paper from this passage or text. Now I suggest you to take a good preparation on this passage, and I think you will be able to answer all the questions if you take a good preparation. Today I will not discuss any more text or questions. It is all for today. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.